Hello, I'm going to introduce you to a concept you'll want to know in terms of modifying curriculum within Acellus. You've got your teacher interface here. You hopefully have chosen a pin via invitation that probably came through your email. If you didn't get that, you'll want to talk to either your tech department at your district or possibly your curricular department. They were to send a list to the International Academy of Science to get you started. They would have sent your email and to the company, and the company would have invited you. So that is handled on a per district company basis. So let them know if you're having issues. And this is the teacher interface. If you haven't yet taken the teacher development, you'd click this button and go ahead with that. Right now, I just want you to know about the special lesson and resources. This is particularly how you can modify the content that you see. So I've chosen Earth Science here. You can choose any number of things, but you do have to create the course first, which you'll see in teacher training. And when you click on the course, these are all the components that Acellus has included for you. And you can see you can turn them off or on here. You can do some editing here. And the most important thing for right now is that you can add a special lesson. This is how that you'll be linking the content that you write in Canvas to the content that students see or that you program for them to see here in Acellus. So when you add a special lesson by clicking this button, you can give it you can tell us what type of lesson it is, and then the title is what you'll sort of modify, so what you're linking over to the Canvas side. And the grade weighting doesn't really matter. You'll want to manually assign, and then you'll want to tell whether this is a text or a PDF resource. It's best to do text. PDF is not accessible because screen readers for that students with sight impairments would use see PDFs as pictures instead of as text, so they don't know how to read it. So text resource is always going to be better. This is where you put your text. You might say, please see the activities I've included in Canvas, and then you'll want to go to your Canvas course, copy the URL. So I'm up here, I clicked once, and then I hit Control C, Command C on a Mac, any number of other things if you're on other devices. And then back in Acellus, you'll paste that, and then you might finish this off. And then when you submit it, it will, tell me that I didn't fill something in. Don't name yours test, but I'm going to name mine, and I think I've already named it test. So when I hit submit, there it is. Now it's been assigned to all of these students here, and these are the ones in my class, and then I'm done. It will show up for them on the student side, and they'll be able to get to your Canvas content through Acellus.